When he was 25, he was ordained priest and started his priestly duties as a canon of the Cathedral of Osma, Spain. In 1203, he accompanied Bishop Diego Jacinto of Osma on a diplomatic mission for King Alphonse VIII of Castile to secure a bride in wife for the king's son, Ferdinand. The mission